Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I stiffened up the frame for the Misfit Split, so be sure to stick around.
We're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies.
So the chassis is pretty much converted from a 78 back to a C2. I changed the frame horns, welded on a battery tray, added on a clutch fork bracket or a clutch cross shaft bracket, cut off a couple other brackets, changed all the body mounts to mid-years, and I back halved it with a 66 rear clip. So now that I did that, I'm going to move on to the second portion of the program, which is strengthening the chassis. So a C3 chassis is a little bit stiffer than a C2 because it's got these braces right here to help triangulate the kickups. And I cut holes in the floor of my tub so that way I can leave these in. But another way to strengthen it is to fully seam weld the chassis. So you can see that they skip weld whenever they welded these from the factory. And I've also noticed that their welding quality really decreased in the 70s. So here's a weld on the 66 chassis. You can see it's pretty pronounced. There's a lot of meat there. Looks like it got good penetration. These welds over here on the C3 frame, you can see there's a lot of porosity in this whole weld, and it looks like they were struggling to get a good bead going. I finished seam welding the entire front of the frame, and I redid a lot of the welds because I wasn't happy with the quality of the original welds. So I welded around the back here and around all these seams here. So the next thing I want to do is stiffen up a lot of these brackets for the lower A-arms, and then also I want to brace up the engine mount to the frame. So I cut out a bunch of gussets here that will go in these areas. So I'll weld all those guys in, which should help triangulate everything and make everything just a little bit stronger. So I have this gusset plate cut out, and now I'm gonna start welding this in. And this is probably a good improvement to do on C3s anyways, just to help stiffen everything up here. So I'm gonna weld in and across here. And then once I'm done with that, I'll make a little plate to gusset from here to here. And I'll make it'll probably be a flat plate to go across, just to add a little more strength to it, to keep it from flexing this way. And then I'll start working on getting this piece contoured properly to the frame rail. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming out on this car, so be sure to check those out. I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.